Hello friends, good morning. In this video we will check how to use how to use a button click event in Blazor as well as JavaScript. So first here index.razor page, here create code behind file, copy and add class and give name index.razor.cs and add and convert this partial class. Now here remove that, add one button type equal to button and class equal to btn primary test. Here now open layout.razor and add script tag tag. Now here create button click event in Blazor, asynchronous task test button and call here this method @click equal to and test button. Now display message on button click event. So here span tag I display message. So first I take one variable string message equal to string.empty message to hello friends, and display message. Now check button click is working or not. So first run the project. Yes, like this work. Now I have add one more controls, text box, input type equal to text plus btn form control and take one variable string txt test equal to string.empty. Now bind this value on text box bind value equal to when we will type on text box and display message on span tag, correct? So first message equal to txt message text box. Now test like this, display message on span like this. One more here, add clear button. Copy this btn clear void btn clear. Now run this and check it's work or not. Test back and click on clear. Sorry, it is not work. Why? btn clear button event is not called here, called clear and danger class set. Now test, click and click on clear. Test and click. So in this, how create a button click event in blazor and how to bind data in a text box and how to display on sparse here. Now check JavaScript. How can use JavaScript in a blazor page and call function with argument, without argument, etc. So first here in script tag I have create one function test without argument, without arg. Okay, simple. Here I display prompt message, prompt alert message, alert hello friends. Okay, this function is create. Now here I have inject ijs runtime class library here and use inject ijs runtime js get set. Now here call this function JavaScript function on button click event. Okay, so first await js dot invoke void. In this function call the JavaScript function. Here identifier means give the JavaScript function name and in this option pass the parameter, because here we will use without parameterized function. So here I have give name of that function test without arg. So here test without arg and JavaScript alert hello friends. Now test this function is work or not. Here test, here this function is called, test function is called, JavaScript is called. Right now here second example we check with argument, how to pass argument with on function. Here with arg or arg and arg. Now copy, save this, copy and call here comment argument, here text txt test with arg. Yes. Okay, now check this. Hello friends, today nice day. Then click this parameterized function is called. Hello friends. Okay, now again click. Now change this message, hello friends, here hello friends. Now parameterize with return value. In this function copy parameter with return value, then return arg. Here call a comment remove and function name and return copy and paste. Invoke synchronize and this function return value string. This here pass string and this string return value store on message variable and message variable display on span tag. Set method name here and parameter. Both function, this invoke void synchronize not return value and invoke a synchronize function return value. Just check. Hello and how are you? You see this function return value. Okay, now this clear that clear test. Yes. Friends, we have to we will directly use button on click in JavaScript. On click on click and function name show function name here. So it is directly called the function JavaScript function. Okay, now a button on click directly JavaScript function. Okay. Button click event, button clear event in this, and inject JavaScript. So friends, thank you for watch.